What's up YouTube? How are you doing? I've seen a lot of videos and they all start with people going, what's up YouTube, and a dab. They're all young people doing it. I don't really get it. I've got a bad back. My dabbing action's not too good. I don't know if it's like some etiquette that you're meant to do that. When you do a YouTube video, when I signed up for the channel, there was a lot to read. I didn't read all of it. There might have been something that said you have to do the dab and the what's up YouTube when you open up the video. I'm a bit more of a, hey, how's it going kind of guy. That's not really going to work on a video, I guess, on YouTube, because you can't tell me how you're doing. If you could, it would be a phone call. So what's up YouTube? I'm doing the introduction again, this time with glasses to look a little bit more intelligent. I feel the original introduction I might have come across a little bit stupid. So I am the BBQ Smoke Maestro. Create the logo that says that. So it's locked in, and that name is now locked in. You know, I chose the name myself, no one gave it to me. I suppose in hindsight, if I was choosing a name, maybe I should have chosen one a bit stronger, maybe like Zeus, the barbecue god. But I've made a logo, so I am locked in. Zeus, the barbecue god. So I am the BBQ Smoke Maestro. We're gonna stick with that. The logo cannot be changed. I just checked. And what I want to show you is really how to cook in a really simple way, but a way that impresses everyone. And at the end of the day, that's really what you want, right? You want to impress the most number of people with the minimum amount of effort. And this will do that. And it's not just going to be meat. There's going to be desserts. I mean, I'm going to show you how to make one of my favourite ever desserts, the smoked bourbon apple crumble. Just listen to those words, smoked bourbon apple crumble. I mean, that's incredible. And then, wait, if that's not enough, I'm going to show you how to smoke salted caramel ice cream to put on top of that smoked bourbon apple crumble. And people will be like, this is amazing. And you'll be like, yes, it is. But you and I will both know it's really easy. But I'm not going to be there to reveal your secret, so it stays between us. And that's the beauty of it. Unless, of course, this channel blows up, in which case everyone might be doing it. And then every dinner party you go to, there'll be a smoked bourbon apple crumble with smoked salted caramel ice cream, and then it could get a bit boring after a while. But it won't, because it tastes amazing. There'll be other desserts as well that I'll show you, like a smoked chocolate orange cheesecake. I just pulled that one out of my head. I have made it, it does exist, and it does taste incredible, and it's really easy to make as well. What does barbecue stand for? Well, you know, barbecue. So look, outside of all of that, I am the BBQ Smoke Maestro. Welcome to the channel. Click subscribe, click like, click whatever it is you're meant to click. But I hope you enjoy it, and I will see you in a moment on the next video. I'm the BBQ Smoke Maestro. Thanks for watching. How do I know if it's on?